Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete duplicate photos on iOS 18 on your iPhone. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do is go ahead and tap your Photos app to open your gallery, and now you are going to scroll down until you get to this utility section. Scroll down, and you will find this option called utilities. You can see the option here. Now you have to go and tap on the last option called duplicates, and here you can see the duplicate photos. So you have to select and delete the duplicate photos from here, and you just have to click on this dustbin icon at the last, and you have to tap on to delete three items, and that's it. And make sure to delete these photos from recently deleted albums to make sure it is permanently deleted from your iPhone. And then tap onto this three dot icon and tap on to delete and confirm the deletion, and then delete from this iPhone. That's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.